Hello, POB Cardinals. My name is Miss Natasha Wall, and I am the advisor of Barry Spitz, our spoken word poetry club. Barry Spitz stands for Speaking It Strongly. I hope you've enjoyed our spring recital. I hope that you will enjoy the chance to learn more about what our club represents. The point of Barry Spitz was to provide an alternative to relieve stress in our teenagers and to allow them a platform in which they can express themselves through spoken word and song. I'm glad to announce that in the near future, my Spitz Club will merge with my creative writing class, and our future project is a literary magazine entitled The Cardinal Quill. This literary magazine will feature poetry, short stories, and art from our POB students. I would like to take this time to just give a huge round of applause to the members of this year's team: Jessica Castillo-Ramos, Victor Chen, Isis Kerlock, Andrea Lopez Cardenas, Kimberly Battle, and our vocalist for this evening, Tyree. I also have to give pause to give credit to our officers, Cassidy Zollinger, our Vice President, Tony Tia, and our President, Jamaica Miller. To commemorate my seniors, I bestow upon you honor cords. The red and the black symbolize our colors, and the royal blue symbolizes the honorable and efficient manner in which you ladies have chosen to use literature to express yourselves for the past year to 3 years. Congratulations, and I hope that you wear these cords proudly. At this time, I would also like to give an honorable shout out to both Tony Tia and Jamaica Miller. Tony and Jamaica, you were with me at the inception of the club way back in 2017. I thank you for being just great leaders and spearheading the group and just starting the organization with me from the ground up. I can never repay you for what you have done. I thank you. And finally, I would like to bestow upon Jamaica Miller just so much praise, so much admiration. I have so much joy in just saying I appreciate all that you've done for the club. I thank you for what you have done for me this year. And with that being said, I would like to dedicate this year's Cardinal Quill, our first literary magazine. I would like to dedicate that to you in your honor. Thank you all so much, and I'll leave final closing remarks to Miss Jamaica Miller, the Barry Spitz president for the past 4 years. Congratulations.